Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma and in this session of the EKT FCAT we talk about the detailed syllabus of the mechanical branch. So let's get starting. So here first subject of the EKT is engineering mathematics and it is common for the all branches. And the important topics are matrix algebra, eigenvalue, eigenvector, theorem of integral calculus, partial derivative, maxima minima, multiple integral, Stokes, Gaussian and Green's theorem, first order differential equation, it may be linear or non-linear, Cauchy and Euler equation, complex variable, Taylor and Lorentz series, sampling theorems, mean, median, mode and standard deviation, random variables, discrete and continuous distribution, Fourier transform, Laplace transform and last is your Z transform. Now come to the next subject, that is your engineering physics and it is also common for all the students. Now important topics are unit of measurement, description of motion in 1, 2 and 3 dimension, law of motion, work, energy and power, rotational motion, gravity, heat and dynamics, electrostatic, electric current, magnetic effect of current, electromagnetic induction and alternating current, electromagnetic wave, ray optics and optical instruments. Now come to the next subject, that is engineering graphics and it is also common for the all branches. Here main topics are engineering drawing, principle of orthogonal projection, projection of point, line, plane and solids, section of solids, isometric view, auto specialization branch topics. Now come to the next subject, that is engineering mechanics. It is most important for the mechanical branch and important topics are equation of equilibrium in space, its application, first and second moment of area, sample, problem of friction, kinetic of particle for plane motion, electromagnetic particle dynamic, generalized Hooke's law and its application, design problem on axial stress, shear stress and bearing stress, material properties of dynamic loading, bending, shear and stress in beam, determination of principal stress and strain, analytical and graphical, material behavior and design factor of the dynamics load, design of the circular shafts for bending and torsion load only, and deflection of the beam for the statically determinant problems like theories of failure. Now come to the next subject, that is your thermodynamics and it is most important for the mechanical branch and important topics are basic concepts of first law, second law, thermodynamic concepts of entropy, reversibility, availability and unavailability and irreversibility, classification and properties of the fluid, incompressible and compressible fluids, flow, effect of much number of the compressibility, continuity, momentum and energy equation, normal and average shocks, one-dimensional entropic flow, flow or fluid in duct with friction that transfer flow through fan, blower and compressor, axial and centrifugal flow and configuration, design and flow of the compressor. Next topic and subject is mechanical theory of mechanics and important topics are kinetic and dynamic analysis of plane mechanism, cams, gear and gear and epicyclic gear, train, flywheel, governor, balancing of the grid, rotor, balancing of single and multi-cylinder engines, linear vibration analysis of mechanical system, single degree of freedom, critical speed and wheeling of the shafts, fly, wheel, balancing of the rotor and reciprocation machinery, balancing machinery, governance, free and forced vibration of the damped and undamped single degree of freedom. Now next subject is the fluid mechanics and hydraulic mechanics. Here important points are fluid flow concepts like transport theorem, fluid kinetic, potential flow, governing equation of fluid flow, dimensional analysis, viscous flow, boundary law flow, turbulence, closed conduct flow, hydrodynamic lubrications, free surface flow, compressible flow, hydraulic turbines, impulse and reaction turbines, centrifugal and axial flow dump. Now come to the next subject is manufacturing science. So here important topics are foundry technology, melting furnace, special casting process, ganting and riser design, casting defects, arc welding, TIG, MIG, submerged arc, resistance welding, gas welding, flash welt welding, solid state welding, welding metallurgy, forming technology and powder metallurgy. Now come to the next subject, that is your material science. Here important topics are basic concepts of structure of solids, common ferrous and non-ferrous material and their application, heat treatment of steels, non-metal, plastic, ceramic, composite material and non-materials. Now come to the next subject is your machine drawing. Here machine drawing is very important for the mechanical branch, and important topics are development and intersection of surface, conventional representation of machine element, material, surface finish and tolerance, sectional view and additional view, drawing of skew, thread, locking device, fastener, key and quarters, knuckle joints, rivets, joints, shaft coupling and wearing, pipe joints, assembling and product drawing. Now come to the next subject, that is your allied engineering, and here allied engineering important topics are automotive engineering, introduction of power plant, fuel system, electrical system and other electrical fitting, lubricating system and cooling system, chassis and transmission, axle, clutch, propeller, shafts and differential conditions for the correct steering gear, mechanism, automotive, air condition, tires, effect of working parameter on knocking, reduction of knocking, form of combustion chamber for SI and CI, engine and rating of fuel and additive emission. Now come to the next, that is your power plant engineering, and topics are steel power plants, steam boiler, steam condenser, cooling tower, cogenerator and combined cycle, nuclear power plant, hydroelectric power plant and power plant economics. Now come to the next subject, that is your industrial engineering, and topics are system design. It includes factory location, simple OR model, plant loyalty, method-based application of engineering economics analysis, and break-even analysis of products selection, process selection, and capacity planning. Predetermined time schema, system planning for casting method based on the regression and decomposition, design and balancing of the multi-model and assembly line, inventory management, probability inventory model for the other order time and order quality determination like GIT system, strategy sourcing, managing interplant logistics. Now next subject is flight mechanics, and it includes atmosphere properties, standard atmosphere, classification of aircraft, airplane, fixed wing aircraft configuration, and various airplane performance, pressure, altitude, equivalent, calibrated, indicated air speed, primary flight instruments like altimeter, ASI, VSI, turn back indicator, drag polar, takeoff and landing, steady, climb and descent, absolute and service ceiling, cruise, climb, endurance or loiter, load factor, turning flight, VN diagram, wing head tail and cross binding, static stability, angle of attack, side slip, roll pitch, yaw, control and longitudinal, stick fixed and free stability, horizontal tall positioning and size, directional stability. Now come to the next, that is your aircraft structure, and important points are stress and strain, equation of equilibrium, constructor law, straight displacement relationship, compatibility equation, plane stress and strain, yearly stress function, flight vehicle structure, characteristics of the aircraft structure and material, torsion, bending and flexural shear flow in thin walled section, blocking, failure theories, load on aircraft structure dynamics, free and forced vibration of the discrete system, damping and resilience dynamics of continuous systems. Now next and last subject of the mechanical branch, that is your aerodynamics, and it is important for the perspective of EKT. So here important topics are basics, fluid mechanics, incompressibility, irrotational flow, Helmholtz and Kelvin theorem, singularities and superposition, viscous flow, boundary layer of the flat plate, airfoils and wings, classification of airfoils, aerodynamics characteristics, high lift device, Katt-Zewski theorem, lift generation 10, airfoil theorem, wing theory, including of drag, qualitative treatment of the law, aspect of ratio, wing viscous flow separation, introduction of turbulence, transition, structure of turbulence, boundary layer and composition flow like dynamic and thermodynamics in ID flow, entropic flow, normal shock and abusive shock. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the syllabus in detail very well. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.